AI is smart, but it's not human. It can write emails, analyze data, even talk like a CEO, but it can't replace you. Because your superpower isn't knowledge anymore, it's humanity. Hi there, welcome to another video from the corporate doors. Today I'll show you 4 soft skills AI can't steal and how they can make you a leader. Skill 1, empathy. AI detects emotion, it can't deliver empathy. I once checked in with a teammate who looked fine on camera, but she wasn't. That one conversation built trust no tool ever could. Empathy isn't soft, it's strategic. Skill 2, handling conflict. Leaders don't shout to be heard, they listen to be followed. AI can give answers, but it can't calm a room. I once mediated a team clash, no sides taken, just solutions. And what was the result? Respect and no resentment. This is what separates managers from leaders. Skill 3, good judgment. AI tells you what's efficient, you decide what's right. Shortcuts might look smart, integrity looks like leadership. People forget policies, but they never forget fairness. Skill 4, creativity. AI imitates, human innovate. Once changed a tiny process which saved 5 hours a week for my team. No software suggested it, a human did. Creativity isn't extra anymore, it's a job security. This one skill will future proof your career. The future won't belong to the smartest machine, it will belong to the most human leader. Empathy, judgment, conflict handling, and creativity. That's your unfair advantage. This video helped you. Hit the like, subscribe, and send it to someone who needs the reminder. This is the Corporate Doors, your weekly career boost. Stay human, stay ahead.